All right, welcome back to my channel. I am making my mother a closet. She wanted to be 7 foot by 4 foot and 2 foot in depth. So I went to the hardware store, got 10 2x4s and cut them all to length. And then I Kreg jigged them and screwed them in. And this is where I am at now. And this is what the product looks like all screwed together. And this is the closet standing upright. She wanted 3 shelves, so I have this hardboard panel that I bought. It's about $3 a sheet. And as you see in the corner, I have the mark of the 2x4 where I'm going to use the saw and cut it. As you can see in the top left corner, I use this jigsaw to cut the corners of these shelves. It was pretty simple. I actually just put them all 3 together and cut them at the same time. And this is all 4 ends cut. Now I am putting the shelves on and then I will screw them in. And this is what they look like screwed in. Now I am sanding the 2x4 so that I can stain them. So I have now stained the closet and this is what it looks like finished. Okay, and this is the final product. My mother is very happy with her closet, and if my mommy's happy, I'm happy. This all in total was under $45. I really just had to get the wood and the shelves, the rod, and the hinges to hold up the rod. So it was fairly cheap for this closet. And if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully soon I will have another video of me making my plant boxes for my windows. Stay tuned. Thank you.